As the education world explores strategies to equip students with the skills and knowledge needed to be successful innovators in the 21st century workforce, there has been a growing emphasis on STEAM to therefore empower teachers in Lagos State to use technology in teaching their students. This training program was organized by IHS Towers in collaboration with the Lagos State government. The training is aimed at building the capability of teachers to adopt technology using the Mission T STEM app.
You are putting to practice what we all learn in school. So this is part of learning. You are not taking it for granted, even though on a daily basis you interact with computer, our telephones, the different devices we have, the tabs. They are just mini computers.
The Mission T app contains video courses and other educational materials. It is interactive and user-friendly.
It's an eye-opener for most of the teachers, and it gives them enough resource to be able to carry out their various teaching and learning as expected.
Not just a one-off program where we engage the teachers, it's a series of programs. The Mission T is a series of programs to engage teachers to support the works they do with students.
This is necessary because we have discovered the huge gap. Statistics have shown the huge gap, primarily in education, the huge gap in funding education across the country. Also, focus in STEM. We've seen gap in technology and infrastructure across the country.
Participants were also taught how to develop websites.
Today we've learned Scratch and how to make our students to continue to learn even when we are not there. And we see that we teachers can learn more, likewise the student can also learn more.
It has been a very innovative one. At least we've learned how to design a website, and we can work on improving that in teaching our students better.
About 1,000 teachers participated in the workshop, and the IHS team commended the Lagos State government for the support given to ensure the success of the program.
It is indeed laudable getting the state government on board. It shows the commitment of the state government to enhance the quality of education, particularly Lagos State. We've gotten so much support and from the Commissioner of Education and everyone in the education space within Lagos State. We've had tremendous support with the onboarding of teachers.
Apart from this training, the teachers will be engaged in the next 7 months to see how well they have been able to utilize the resources.